Alright guys, so we've got our inner structure welded on and seam sealed. Everything looks nice and sealed off so that no water can get in here. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and straighten up some of our edges where we messed up. And then we'll go ahead and install the bumper and tail light to make sure that all of our gaps and body lines match up. So let's get started. Today we are picking up a new RX7 chassis, and it's going to be a game changer for us. Thanks to Nadeem, who hooked us up and helped us find the parts for this car, and it happened to be very close by. We're only about 20 minutes away, so we're going to reach out to the seller and meet up with him and show you what he's got. Stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we got the RX7 off the frame. Not that the car's been repaired, but we are going to be making some changes. We're actually no longer going to be fixing this chassis. So big shout out to Nadeem, who watches the channel. He reached out to us to help out on the RX7 parts, and we got in touch with Mr. Jim, who's very local, and hooked us up with a new chassis and a lot of advice on these RX7s. I think he said he's had over 15 of these cars over the past years. He's a very knowledgeable guy and knows his stuff when it comes down to these type of cars. If you need anything, let me know down in the email and I can shoot you his info. So the plan is for this car is we're just going to transfer everything over from this chassis over to this one. Let's check it out. Alright boys, that's going to be a wrap up for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the RX7 and let you guys know that we haven't given up on it like some people asked. However, I do want to get the truck wrapped up. We don't have much more left on that before we jump onto this. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Drop any thoughts or suggestions you have down in the comments. If you are new, be sure to like and subscribe. Smash that bell notification to be the first to watch these videos. Follow me on Instagram at dannyTV to get an inside sneak peek before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.